Toyota's hybrid technology has long been considered one of the most reliable and efficient powertrain systems ever built. For more than 2 decades, Toyota hybrids have earned a reputation for durability, fuel efficiency, and long-term dependability. Millions of drivers around the world trust Toyota's hybrid systems every day, especially those equipped with the well-known 2.5-liter hybrid engine. This engine powers some of Toyota's most popular vehicles, including the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Toyota Camry Hybrid, Toyota Highlander Hybrid, and several Lexus hybrid models. The 2.5-liter hybrid system delivers impressive fuel economy while maintaining smooth performance and low emissions. However, recent discussions among mechanics, engineers, and hybrid specialists suggest that owners should pay close attention to several emerging issues related to this engine. While the Toyota 2.5 Hybrid remains one of the most advanced and efficient hybrid systems on the market, there are warning signs and maintenance concerns that every owner should understand. If you own a vehicle with this powertrain, knowing these potential risks could save you thousands of dollars in repairs and prevent serious long-term damage. Let's take a closer look at what experts are saying and why paying attention now could make all the difference. The Toyota 2.5 hybrid system explained. The Toyota 2.5-liter hybrid system is built around a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor and a hybrid battery pack. Toyota calls this setup the dynamic force hybrid system, and it represents a major advancement over previous generations of hybrid technology. The gasoline engine operates using the Atkinson cycle, which prioritizes efficiency over raw power. Combined with an electric motor and a sophisticated power control unit, the system can seamlessly switch between gasoline power, electric power, or a combination of both. This allows vehicles equipped with the 2.5 hybrid system to achieve fuel economy figures that often exceed 40 miles per gallon, even in larger vehicles like the RAV4 and Highlander. Automotive engineers frequently praise this system for its high thermal efficiency, which exceeds 40% in many cases. That number is extremely impressive for a gasoline engine. Hybrid specialist David Coleman explains that Toyota's 2.5 hybrid platform represents one of the most efficient internal combustion engines ever mass-produced. But efficiency sometimes comes with complexity, and complexity can introduce new challenges over time. The hidden cooling system concern. One of the most important but often overlooked components of any hybrid system is its cooling system. Hybrid vehicles rely on multiple cooling circuits to keep different components operating within safe temperature ranges. The gasoline engine, electric motors, power electronics, and hybrid battery all generate heat during operation. If any of these components begin to overheat, the entire system can be affected. Some technicians have reported that certain Toyota 2.5 hybrid models may develop cooling system problems if maintenance is neglected. Over time, coolant passages can accumulate debris or scale, especially in vehicles that experience heavy stop-and-go driving or high temperatures. Hybrid technician Marcus Rivera warns that hybrid cooling systems must remain extremely clean. The cooling circuits in hybrid systems are more sensitive than those in traditional engines. If coolant flow is restricted, the power electronics and inverter can overheat quickly. While this issue is not widespread, it highlights the importance of regular coolant maintenance and inspection. Ignoring cooling system problems could eventually lead to inverter damage or hybrid system shutdowns. The inverter and power control unit. Another critical component in Toyota's hybrid system is the inverter and power control unit. This system converts direct current from the hybrid battery into alternating current that can power the electric motors. It also manages the flow of energy between the engine, battery, and wheels. In simple terms, the inverter acts as the brain of the hybrid system. If it fails, the entire vehicle can stop functioning. Earlier Toyota hybrid models experienced inverter-related recalls, and while Toyota significantly improved the design in newer generations, experts say owners should still monitor this component carefully. Hybrid engineer Kenji Takahashi explains that inverter reliability depends heavily on thermal management. The inverter contains high-voltage electronics that generate heat. If cooling efficiency drops, the inverter can experience thermal stress, which may shorten its lifespan. Fortunately, Toyota has implemented multiple safety systems that warn drivers if inverter temperatures begin rising beyond normal limits. However, early detection remains essential. Hybrid battery longevity. One of the biggest concerns many owners have about hybrid vehicles involves battery life. Toyota's 2.5 hybrid system typically uses nickel metal hydride or lithium-ion battery packs depending on the model and trim level. These batteries are designed to last many years, often exceeding 150,000 miles under normal driving conditions. But hybrid batteries are not immune to wear. Battery degradation occurs slowly over time as the chemical cells age and experience repeated charge and discharge cycles. Hybrid battery expert Dr. Samuel Ortega notes that temperature management plays a major role in battery longevity. Heat is the biggest enemy of hybrid battery systems. Vehicles driven in hot climates or under heavy loads may see faster degradation if cooling systems are not functioning properly. Toyota includes sophisticated battery cooling systems that draw air through the battery pack to regulate temperature. However, dust accumulation or blocked cooling vents can reduce efficiency. Simple maintenance tasks such as keeping battery cooling vents clean can dramatically extend battery life. Oil consumption concerns. Another issue occasionally discussed by mechanics involves oil consumption in some 2.5-liter engines. This concern is not limited to hybrid models, but it has been observed in certain vehicles using the same dynamic force engine architecture. In most cases, the issue is minor and develops gradually after high mileage. Automotive engineer Lisa Morgan explains that modern engines are built with tighter tolerances and lower friction components to improve efficiency. While this design improves fuel economy, it can sometimes lead to slightly higher oil consumption as engines accumulate mileage. The key is regular oil monitoring. Owners should check oil levels periodically and follow recommended service intervals. Allowing oil levels to drop too low could cause premature engine wear. Water pump and accessory wear. Another component that deserves attention is the engine's water pump. Hybrid vehicles still rely on conventional mechanical systems in certain areas, and the water pump remains essential for circulating coolant through the engine block. Over time, water pump seals and bearings can wear out. When this happens, coolant leaks may develop. If a leak goes unnoticed, the engine could begin overheating. Experienced hybrid technician Jorge Alvarez says the water pump should always be inspected during routine maintenance. A small coolant leak might seem harmless at first, but over time it can lead to serious overheating problems. Fortunately, water pump replacement is relatively inexpensive compared with other hybrid system components. Software and hybrid control updates. Modern hybrid vehicles rely heavily on software to manage their complex systems. Toyota regularly releases software updates that improve efficiency, performance, and reliability. These updates can sometimes address small issues before they become larger problems. Unfortunately, some owners skip dealership visits once their vehicles are out of warranty. That can mean missing important software improvements. Automotive diagnostics specialist Ryan Chen recommends that hybrid owners occasionally check for available software updates. Software calibration plays a huge role in hybrid efficiency and reliability. Updates can improve battery management and thermal control. Keeping vehicle software current can help prevent certain system faults. Driving habits matter. Another factor that experts emphasize is driving behavior. Hybrid vehicles operate differently from conventional gasoline cars. Frequent short trips where the engine never fully warms up can accelerate engine wear. Likewise, aggressive acceleration can place additional strain on both the engine and hybrid components. Smooth acceleration and gradual braking allow the hybrid system to maximize regenerative braking and battery efficiency. Hybrid driving instructor Michael Peterson notes that many hybrid owners unintentionally reduce efficiency through driving style. The hybrid system rewards smooth driving. Drivers who accelerate aggressively often miss out on the technology's full benefits. Adapting driving habits can extend the lifespan of both engine and battery components. Preventive maintenance is the key. Despite these potential concerns, experts consistently emphasize that the Toyota 2.5 hybrid remains one of the most reliable hybrid powertrains available. Most reported problems are relatively rare and often linked to neglected maintenance. Routine service remains the most effective way to ensure long-term reliability. Regular oil changes, coolant inspections, battery cooling maintenance, and software updates can prevent many issues from developing. Hybrid specialist Amanda Clark summarizes it simply. Toyota hybrids are incredibly durable when properly maintained. The key is understanding that they still require attention, even though they're very reliable. Owners who stay proactive with maintenance often see their hybrid vehicles exceed 200,000 miles. Why awareness matters. The reason this information matters is simple. Hybrid systems are complex machines that combine traditional engines with advanced electric technology. While Toyota's engineering is among the best in the industry, no system is completely immune to wear or unexpected issues. Understanding the warning signs and maintaining the vehicle properly can prevent expensive repairs. Ignoring early symptoms, however, can turn minor problems into major ones. For example, a simple cooling system blockage could eventually damage an inverter or battery component. That type of repair can cost thousands of dollars. Preventive maintenance costs only a fraction of that amount. The bottom line, Toyota's 2.5-liter hybrid system remains one of the most impressive hybrid powertrains ever developed. Its combination of efficiency, durability, and smooth performance has helped make Toyota a global leader in hybrid technology. For most owners, the system will provide years of reliable service with minimal problems. But like any advanced technology, it requires attention and proper maintenance. Monitoring cooling systems, maintaining oil levels, keeping battery cooling vents clean, and staying current with software updates can protect the vehicle from potential long-term issues. Experts agree that the key is awareness. Hybrid vehicles reward owners who understand how the system works and who take preventive maintenance seriously. If you own a Toyota with the 2.5 hybrid engine, the best thing you can do is stay informed, follow recommended service schedules, and address small issues before they grow into larger problems. Doing so will ensure that your hybrid continues delivering the efficiency and reliability that Toyota drivers have trusted for decades. And that simple step could save you from a very expensive surprise down the road.